Facebook friends and family. How are you doing today? Bess McCarty here, coach for network marketers, also the shrink of MLM. And I want to let you know what we're doing in case you know a network marketer who can use this. We are giving away a bunch of free personal growth books at an open house that we're having on Sunday, July 7th. People are registering now to get entered into that drawing for the personal growth books. They must be present to win. But even better than winning the books is going to be what we're teaching. We're teaching always get a yes when prospecting. Pretty incredible. It's a sample of our school, generic school for network marketers. This is all generic, of course. And what we're teaching, the always get a yes method and script. It doesn't get a no. It takes away fear. It bypasses objections. It works with all four personalities. It works with people who have already said no. It works with all genders, cultural levels of influence and age and everything. Doesn't need a video. It's simple and easy. And so you can get a free ticket to this event, and the link that I'll post in the comments in a few minutes. And when people get that ticket, they also get registered for one of the free personal growth books. We're giving that away because we want to help people along with their personal growth. It's a success depends. Requires us to do about 30 to 60 minutes of personal growth work a day. So this is our way of making this easy for people to do that. Who are we? Jeffrey David Gamble and I are doing this. And in just a minute, I want to tell you about the famous supporters of network marketing. There's a lot that you may not know about. I'll go ahead and share that with you first because that's important. So the famous supporters of network marketing, these are famous people that are known worldwide and give a lot of validation to the profession of network marketing. And these are also good people to let your prospects know. So I wrote actually an article about this, and I will post this in the links too. But did you know, I bet some of these you may have known, but I bet a lot of them that you didn't. So here are the famous supporters of network marketing. Richard Branson. Did you know that, Sir Richard? He is he says, I am a tremendous believer in network marketing. Tony Robbins says, what's amazing about network marketing, it's a business, we're a business owner. You can be a business owner without the headaches and all the risks of a business, which he knows about because he runs and owns a lot of businesses. But network marketing does all the legal stuff, the legal work, heavy lifting, the research, the producing, the manufacturing, the shipping, the legal, the technical stuff, the website back ends and all that. So they take care of all that, which if you are a business owner, you realize that you would have to do all that. So, by the way, who's ever watching the replay, I'd love if you type in replay because I'd like to thank you for that. I'm glad you're here, and if you have a question, please type that in. Or a tip or anything like that, an insight, a takeaway. Love to hear all that. So if you are watching, love to hear your likes and loves, and or even share with other people too. So thank you for watching. Hello, Andrew. Welcome. Talking about the famous supporters of MLM today, plus letting people know about our open house coming up on July 7th. Really cool open house. We're going to give away a bunch of free personal growth books as well as teach how to always get a yes. So welcome, Michael. Glad to see you. Okay, so back to the famous supporters of network marketing. We already talked about Richard Branson. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the likes and loves, you guys. Tickled. I get tickled with that. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so Richard Branson, tremendous believer of network marketing. Tony Robbins, it's amazing business where people can be a business owner without all the headaches and risks and stuff. Robert Kiyosaki says network marketing is very low risk and a way to generate tremendous income and acquire great wealth. And Grant Cardone says, by the way, everybody should be involved in network marketing, if only because they get access to instant network of like-minded people committed to their to improve their condition. He said, right there, that's wealth creation. So I said, right there, that's a good reason for everybody to be in. Bill Clinton spoke to network marketers one time, and he said, you strengthen our company and our economy, not just by improving your life, but offering that opportunity to other people. Paul Zane Pilsner says, Working for yourself is a safer route nowadays. Working for corporation is riskier proposition. He didn't say it's a riskier career job. He said it's a riskier proposition to work for a corporation than to work for yourself. I love working for myself. I'm in charge of my own world. Jim Rohn says network marketing is the greatest source of grassroots capitalism because it takes just a small bit of capital, which is your time, to build the American dream. And David Bach says, when I read in Fortune magazine that Warren Buffett, the billionaire investor, was investing in network marketing, I decided I was missing something. I like that. So welcome, Thomas. Glad to see you. How are you? Wow. We're talking about, Thomas, we're talking about all the many famous supporters of network marketing, and I wrote an article which I'm going to post in a minute so everyone can have access to it, but I collected all the top supporters that people know, including Richard Branson, Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, Grant Cardone, Bill Clinton, Paul Zane Pilsner, Jim Rohn, David Bach, and this is what Brian Tracy says. Network marketing will be one of the respected business methods in the world. Bob Proctor says in network marketing, you reap what you sow. You get it back exactly what you're worth. There's no favoritism in network marketing, and that's rare today. Les Brown says network marketing has produced more millionaires than any other industry in the history of the world. I'm very proud of network marketing. I'm a great advocate. This is, okay, I've got more. Ed Ludbrook says network marketing is entering a new phase of unstoppable growth, and that is why Eric Worre's called it that this is a golden age for network marketing, because when else has there been such growth and need for it, for people to have a better lives, and the other avenues in our economy are being blocked out, including working for corporate, including franchising, stock market, real estate. For many people this is out of reach, but network marketing is within their reach. So Darren Hardy says the future is self-employment. Direct sales offers the average person with above average ambition to achieve an above average lifestyle, peace of mind, and financial security. Darren Hardy is a publisher of Success Magazine. Okay, Doug Lane says, after years of skepticism, the investment community is finally waking up to direct sales as an investment opportunity. They've become true believers. Yay. We're turning it around, you guys. We're getting a good reputation, not just with our results, but also with bettering the people that we become. Upping our standard of professionalism. Eric Worre's been a huge proponent of that for about 10 years now. So I attribute a lot of this to him, but also, and all of us who are working for that, all of us who are advocates of the professionalism of network marketing. But also the results that we're getting, the high-income people, multimillionaires, and Thomas is one of them. Thomas is on here, he's one of them. And welcome to everybody coming on. Thank you. Stephen Covey, who wrote The 7 Habits of Highly Successful People, says, network marketing has come of age. It's a way of entrepreneurship and independence for millions of people. Robert Kiyosaki says, network marketing is the opportunity to face your fears, deal with them, overcome them, bring out the winner that you know you have living inside you. And he has very strong respect for the genuine opportunity that this business has to cast a wide net, and a very wide net, he says. And if you look closely over the world of network marketers, you see every color, creed, age, level of background, experience, and skills. And I know personally a lot of stories of network marketers who have been homeless, who have been immigrant pizza deliverers, people in every country of the world, every age, older people, retirees who are having a difficult time getting a job can do network marketing. Disabled people can do network marketing. Your child can help you in your network marketing business, and join you in events, set up chairs, learn things. So every age, culture, it's really is a huge equalizer. I'm very, very proud of network marketing. I'm not in it myself. I'm a generic coach, a dedicated generic coach, although I used to be full-time for years. Helped me raise my son as a single mom. I went on a trip to the Bahamas and was training people up and down the coast of California when I lived in San Diego, and have done that. When my company went out of business, I went into the personal growth field. I became a therapist, a body-mind therapist, holistic health practitioner for my own healing and to help other people. And then I brought this back to network marketers. And I tried a few more companies, didn't feel right, and said, oh, this is my calling, just to be a generic coach, not to divide my time, but to totally support the profession of network marketing, be an advocate for it, a teacher, coach, and trainer for it. So I do this along with Jeffrey David Gamble. And that is what I wanted to let you know, that we teach a generic school for network marketers. I've been running it for 10 years now. And when I found out Jeff's method a year ago, his method that always gets a yes, never gets objections, works with even people who already said no to you. It's simple, easy, duplicatable. When I learned this method, I thought I want every network marketer to know about it. I asked him to come into my school to teach. Now we teach in the school. And so this is on, we have several classes in it, but our basic class for network marketers is on Sunday nights. And we want to give you a sample of that by teaching his method to you at an event, which you can get a free ticket on Sunday, July 7th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. It will be recorded, but if you're present, you will be registered to win, registered in the drawing. The free ticket is going to be in the links. And that free ticket to the event registers you for a drawing for a bunch of personal growth books that we're going to be giving away, including Jim Maxwell and a lot of other personal growth books. So you can be eligible to win that, but best of all, to learn this method for free that you can put into action in your business, and then you can also, it's the best method I know to get your new recruits started right and get real fast success. It's really working for the last year that we've been teaching this together in our school, the MLM Generic School for Network Marketers. So that's what I wanted to tell you today, in case you know a network marketer who can use this to get the free ticket. I should talk with you a minute about Jeff and me and our backgrounds and all that. I think I already told you mine. Become the shrink of MLM. I've helped hundreds of people break through their, hundreds of network marketers and people break through their blocks in life. Network marketers breaking through their fears, their negative beliefs, whatever is blocking them to their success. They jump ranks, and I've had a lot of fun helping people. I'm also a minister, coach, teacher, healer, martial artist, and actually Jeff is a lot of these things too. We're both have been real estate investors, holistic trainers, teachers, practitioners, teachers. Jeff has 24 years of experience in direct sales and network marketing. He's personally recruited over 500 people frontline, built teams to over 11,000 people in 7 countries in 3 years. So he is just an incredible person to learn from. So now that you know what we're doing, maybe you know someone who can use this. I'd love if you share this with them. I bet they'll thank you for that. So people can get a free ticket in the link that I'll post in just a minute. Get free books, learn this method. We're glad to do that. Thank you everybody for watching. If the live has ended, let's keep the conversation going. And if you have any questions, tips, insights, and hello, Sue, welcome. So glad to see you. How are you? I'm just concluding right now. What I've done, Sue, is I've listed, a dozen or two famous supporters of network marketing, including and what they say about it. And I'm going to post that article that will be easy to find for your own validation of network marketing, and also to share with prospects or share with your team. So I've collected these top supporters of network marketing, including Richard Branson, Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, Grant Cardone, Bill Clinton, Paul Zane Pilsner, Jim Rohn, David Bach, Brian Tracy, Bob Proctor, Les Brown, Ed Ludbrook, Darren Hardy, Doug Lane, Stephen Covey, Robert Kiyosaki, and more. So what I've done is I've quoted them in this article. I did have all their pictures in it, but then the internet, rights said, you should take down their pictures if you don't have permission to use their pictures. So anyway, I just put their names and their quotes, and I think you might find it useful for yourself, your team, your prospects, to know that there's network marketing is coming of age. It is being recognized as a powerful and respectable business in this world, business method and model. It's the golden age for network marketing. We're doing a lot to raise the profession. Thank you for all who are dedicated to becoming network marketing professionals and approaching people with the right way, with an attitude of service, not taking, not spamming people, but congratulations to everyone who's holding themselves to a high level of professionalism, upgrading the reputation of this profession, and getting results so that we can show the world this is the best business that I know for people to have a better life. It's not all the other avenues. So many of them are closed out to them. You know, investing, stock market, getting a second, third, fourth job. You know, what can people do to raise themselves up? This is the best business that I know in the whole world, with the lowest entry fee, the best return on investment of any business in the whole world. Work at your own rate, free training within your company and upline. I listed a whole bunch of advantages yesterday on a live that I did. 45 reasons to be an MLM, all the advantages why it's better than another type of business. So welcome, Roy. I'm going to close out now, post the replay, post a link to that article. Hope it helps. Thank you all for joining. I'll be back on tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye. I love you all.